A stunningly slim and stylish design with sturdy black anodized brushed aluminum frame delivers a modern, streamlined look with exceptional durability. Illuminate your desktop with bright, dynamic, per-key RGB backlighting fully customizable with near-limitless colors and effects. Powerful Corsair iCUE software enables dynamic RGB lighting control, key remaps and custom macro programming, and full system lighting synchronization across all iCUE-compatible Corsair devices. Experience an unparalleled level of immersion when playing iCUE-integrated games, as your RGB lighting dynamically reacts to in-game actions and events in real time. Full nkro rollover, nkro, with 100% anti-ghosting ensures that every keypress registers, no matter how fast you play. Convenient keyboard shortcuts let you control media playback, volume, and onboard lighting on the fly. Connectivity technology, USB. Top reviews from the United States. High quality for a not K95 price. A few years ago I bought a K95 Platinum keyboard that was easily 3x the price of this keyboard, and I kinda like this one better with one caveat. The switch springs are stiffer than most mechanical keyboards, and this has led to a light touch from me, so sometimes I get no engagement or too much to where the keys repeat themselves. Aluminum body is sturdy and easy to clean. No dedicated media or macros but FN combo keys, and not missing those from my old keyboard.